Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today I will show you how to edit Contacts Android so you can keep your address book updated with the latest information. This simple process helps you stay organized by managing names, numbers, and emails effectively. So now let's get started. For step 1, locate and open your Contacts app from your home screen or the app drawer to see your full list of saved people. This app is the central hub for all your communication details and is the starting point for making any changes to your directory. In step 2, scroll through your list and tap the specific contact you want to edit to open up their individual profile page. This action allows you to view the current details saved for that person before you begin modifying any of their information. Now for step 3, look at the top or bottom of the screen and tap on the pencil icon or the edit contact button. This button activates the editing mode, which unlocks all the text fields so you can start typing in new data or removing old details. Moving on to step 4, tap on any field to edit or change contact information like their phone number, home address, or even their profile picture. This is the part where you can customize the entry to ensure every detail is accurate and easy for you to recognize later. For step 5, once you have finished making your changes, tap the checkmark or save button usually found in the upper corner. This final action ensures that all your new information is stored permanently in your device, so you do not lose any of the updates you just made. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.